Hello everyone. Did you know that genetic algorithm, or GA, is an optimization and search technique inspired by the principles of natural selection and genetics? It works by evolving a population of candidate solutions to a problem through processes analogous to biological evolution, such as selection, crossover, and mutation. Over successive generations, the population adapts with fitter solutions, those better suited to the objective function, having a higher chance of survival and reproduction. This iterative process makes GA effective for solving complex, nonlinear, and high-dimensional problems where traditional optimization methods may struggle. What do you think? Do you use genetic algorithm in your research? Do you have any suggestions? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Many thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.